Looking for a great mac and cheese recipe? Well, this one right here is the perfect old school southern creamy mac and cheese. Absolutely to die for. Before I begin, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. Alright guys, to begin, you are going to start by boiling your pasta. For this recipe, we are using elbow pasta. I have my water already boiling. Pour that in just like this. And also I have a little bit of chicken bouillon with salt that I'm going to add in. The chicken bouillon is going to add some flavor to the pasta. I'm going to allow it to boil for about 8 to 10 minutes or until al dente. Alright guys, to begin, I have all my ingredients here. I am starting with about 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now we're going with the traditional roux for this mac and cheese. So I'm going to allow the butter to melt. Now I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of flour. I'm going to allow that to fry for a little bit just to remove the raw flour taste. Now we are going in with our milk. I'm using 1 cup, well 2 cups of whole milk. Make sure you stir really fast as you go so you can prevent the flour from, getting lumpy. Just like this. Next, I'm going in with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I know this is 2, but I'm using only 1 cup, okay? Just like this. And now I am going in with about 2 ounces of cream cheese. This is going to make it extra creamy. Also, you got to have the sour cream, okay? This is a must. Add that in. This is going to be so good. And this recipe takes no time. No time at all. Once you add that in, you don't have to go too heavy with the seasoning now. I'm using a few seasonings. I will leave them below. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, smoked paprika that is. I have some celery salt, cayenne pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper going in, ground black pepper, a little bit of Creole seasoning, optional, but I like to add that in. Of course, everything will be below for you guys, so check that out. Also, we do have a lot of cheese we are going to add in. I'm just waiting for my cream cheese to melt. Now, this is the cheese we are going to add in. I have 4 different types of cheese. I have mozzarella, I have gouda cheese, some Colby Jack with sharp cheddar, okay? We are going to add some of this in here, also save the rest so we can add it on top of the mac and cheese. So, a little bit of everything. That is my oven. It's done preheating on 350 right now. So just add that in just like this. And then give that a quick stir just like this. We might need a little bit more cheese in here. Just like that. It's going to be nice and cheesy, of course. And now is the time for you to taste it to see if you need any more salt or pepper. Just add that in. Our cheese sauce is pretty much done at this point. Alright guys, my pasta is nice and al dente. It's ready to be taking off the heat. I'm going to drain the water so we can mix everything together. I'm going to add that right into my cheese sauce. Just like this. Just add your pasta in here just like this. Let me tell you, the sauce is so tasty. So good, okay? Give that a little mix just like that. Oh yes. Oh yes. Just like this. Now, I am going to transfer this to a different baking dish, although I can use this pan to bake it in, but for a better presentation, I'm going to switch it to another baking dish. But this is what we're working with so far. Now I am going to pour some of that mac and cheese in here. I'm going to do like 3 layers of cheese. So once I add this, I'm going to add some cheese in the middle. A little bit of it. Then I'm going to add some more. Pour another layer. Just make sure you spread it out just like that. Add your cheese in the middle and then pour some more. Actually, let me add some more cheese. Some more cheese. Pour the rest. Oof. Just spread it out just like this. This is going to be so good, y'all. So creamy and cheesy at the same time. I already tasted and I know the flavor is there. I just need to add the cheese and we'll be ready to go. Going to add in my cheese. Now it's best to buy the block of cheese instead of the pre-shredded one, obviously, because they'll melt way better. So that's what I did. Buy my own cheese and then grated them. Oh, looks so good. I like to add a little bit of paprika on top, just like this. This is regular paprika, just so it's not too smoky, because I already added some in there. This will give it a nice little color once it's done baking. So we're going to bake this uncovered on 350 for about 30 minutes. Oh my God, guys, our mac and cheese is ready and it looks so good. Oh my goodness, so cheesy, so beautiful. That mac and cheese is cheesy, okay? You should hear the sound of this mac and cheese. It is so creamy and so cheesy. I cannot wait to dive in, y'all. It looks so good. Oh my goodness. Cheers, you guys. You cannot go wrong with this recipe. Y'all see this? Fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Leave a comment down below if you're going to try this out. I recommend this recipe 1000% if you're looking for a good mac and cheese recipe. But of course, leave your comment. Let me know if you're going to try it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.